Hello everyone. Today, we'll explore an interesting mathematical check, determining if a number can be expressed as the sum of two squares. For instance, 13 can be written as 2 squared plus 3 squared. Let's see how we can do this in JavaScript. We'll iterate through possible square values and see if this sum equals the target number. If we find a combination, the result is true. Otherwise, it is false. We first calculate the largest possible first square and loop downward. For each candidate, we subtract its square from the target and check if the remainder is a perfect square. This ensures we cover all possible pairs efficiently. By starting from the largest possible square, we reduce the number of iterations. Using square roots lets us verify perfect squares easily. We can also see that the method correctly identifies numbers that can or cannot be expressed as a sum of squares. It is simple yet effective. Understanding how to represent numbers as sums of squares has applications in cryptography, algorithm design, and mathematics. It can also help solve certain puzzles or coding problems efficiently. In summary, we've seen a neat method to verify if a number can be expressed as a sum of two squares. It is efficient, easy to implement, and a fun intersection of math and programming. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.